Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny all files access permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access and then click on all files access. Now here it will show you the list of apps that can access your all files. So if you want to allow a app, then turn on its button, and now this app is allowed to the all files access. And if you want to deny this app to have access to all files, then turn its button off. So with these buttons you can allow or deny apps to have access to all files in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.